Hi, it's Miss Mitchell. We've had some questions about the SMP words, so I just wanted to go over those with y'all real quick. We're upgrading from what they did last year, so last year's their beginning step. This year, we're putting in more into use so the students really understand how they work. They'll come home with a paper every week that looks like this. They have to make a diagram of the word and then a definition using what was in the diagram. And that's kind of where we're having some issues, so I just wanted to go through a word. We went through biblio in class and bios in the diagram definition. So let's go down to carn. So the word is C-A-R-N. So when they look that up, it's going to say flesh or meat. So they have to use that, then they're going to find a word for their to find their definition. A lot of students are finding carnivore. And the definition for that is an animal that eats meat. Okay, so what we're really struggling with is the diagram part. So how we would diagram that is there's the word that's from my paper. Okay, so carn means meat. And here is where the struggle is, the rest of this word. Well, we know if this means meat, and the definition is an animal that eats meat, this must mean something about an animal that eats. Now we'll be right back. All right, sorry, I'm back. Just had a quick answer to the door. So anyway, so we know that vor here has something to do with animals eating. So if they did something like animals eat, so animal eat meat matches the definition animals that eat meat. What we're trying to get them to do is understand by chunking these words, they can figure out what the actual definition is if they just have a little chunk of it. So we're trying to do more of processing and actually using the words this year. The first few are going to be confusing until they figure out the process. I'm always available by email, and I'll try to send out more videos as we get through more stuff during the school year. Thank you so much. Bye.